name is Alanna, and I am the practice manager as well as the patient advisor here at Muse Plastic Surgery. And if you've never had a consultation before, it's completely normal not to know what to expect, but I can definitely walk you through that journey so that you are well prepared for your consultation as well as surgery. So typically, the length of any consultation that we perform is about 45 minutes to an hour. We want to ensure that we're able to answer all your questions, hear from you, and really understand what your goals and expectations are for the procedure itself. Reviewing medical history is also extremely important. We want to understand what your past and prior medical history is so that we can prepare accurately for your upcoming procedure. We will also be taking photos during your consultation. This allows us to have a clear understanding of exactly what needs to be done and to begin to prepare for your surgical procedure. So taking photos is very important because, as you'll understand, is that your body will transform during the entire process. So we do want to keep up with those results from the consultation all the way through the follow-up process. So during the consultation, we will thoroughly go over your goals and expectations. It's imperative for us to both be on the same page, for you to have a clear understanding and expectation of your results, and for us to make sure that we can definitely accomplish that for you. So we will go over that information in great detail during your consultation. We will also not only just listen to you and hear from you, but with our professionalism and expertise, we will also customize a procedure plan that is going to really meet all of your goals and expectations. At the very end of the consultation, we will always go over pricing. That way you are well informed. Everything will be itemized out in terms of the procedures that we are going to be performing. Not only that, here at Muse, our pricing is all inclusive. So it will include your anesthesia fee, your procedure, all of your post-op appointments, including your garment, and then of course the surgery itself. At the very end of the consultation, we also want to find out exactly when you're interested in having surgery. This will help us create a plan customized for you, the patient, so that you know all the next steps. So we're going to make sure that you have ample time off of work. We also will fill out some FMLA documentation for you if necessary, and make sure that you have all that you need for the surgical procedure. We get the question of BMIs all the time, and BMI is your body mass index. And that is really important because during surgery, we are going to be putting you to sleep. And our number one priority is keeping you safe and healthy from start to finish. So we never cut corners there. Here at Muse, we do require a BMI of a 31 or below. Not to be mean or anything like that, but it is to keep you healthy and to keep you safe, and so that you have the optimal amount of results after surgery. The reason why we have our BMI at a 31 is because we realize and understand from the years that we've been in practice that the higher the BMI, the more risk and complications after surgery. So of course, we really truly want to mitigate that to the very, very best of our ability. So for our policy, we do ask that you are at a 31.0 or below, and once you are at that exact point, we are able then to schedule the consultation, which you will have with me, and then after that, we will have you be seen by Dr. Jones so that you can then prepare for surgery. So we'll have you in for pre-op and then surgery and get you started on that transformation. But the BMI is extremely important because, again, safety and health is our number one priority, and we truly want you to have the best results possible. And above the best results, it's really about an amazing experience.